Hey guys, if you want to learn how to create this spotlight eyeshadow using the Morphe 3502 palette, then keep on watching. So as you can see, I've already done one eye, and this is the look. So, sorry, I've got a drawer underneath me and that's where all my makeup is. So I'm going to first start off with the NYX Tame and Frame in Brunette with just a Primark double-ended. So I'm just going to first comb through my brows like so, then just go in. Starting off at the, is this the arch of the brow? At the arch of the brow. And then come into the front of the brow, like so. And going up to the top of the arch of the brow. And just following that through. And then just fade in through like so. And then just stroking upwards. I do have oil on my face, so this does make the blending part a bit easier, which is always helpful. Yeah, that didn't go as good as my last brow. Yeah, what can you do? And I'm just combing through with a spoolie to make sure no areas are missed. Now I'm going in with my Mineral Touch Concealer in the shade Pallete, I think that's what it's called, don't really know. And I'm just using a Zoeva flat blender brush to do this. Now for this, we take it straight under the brow, so we carve out the brow. Like so. And because we are doing quite a heavy eyeshadow look, we take this all over the lid, right down here, quite forward into the eye as you can see here, and take that all over the lid. And then we take it under like so as well. I do drag it quite far down my face as well, as you can see. So the first two transition shades I'm going to go in with is Universal and On. Just this shade here and this shade. Using a Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And we don't set the concealer because I find that we can blend a lot easier, so we just take them shades and just dab like so. Remembering to tap off the excess. So you just build up the product up quite close to the brow bone and bring it quite far out into the outer corner. So, and then I just drag it out like so. I next use this orange shade, which is called Ablaze, and I take this through my crease using just a Morphe shader brush. I don't know if you can see that. And this is just because we focused some orange on the spotlight, and I thought we'd just bring that back in the crease also. and just in circular motions blend that out. And keep packing that on, as it is quite a bold eye look. So once I'm happy with the blend, which at this point I am, I go back in with that blender and just drag out and make sure them colours do combine, like so. Then using my Chanel Blender duo-sided brush, I'm going to take the blender and the colour Brick and Rich, which I believe are this colour and this colour, and I just take them on that brush just to get that grungy darker look, and I take this straight on like, and see how it's like dragging. I'm not sure if you can, but if you would have set that, there would have been no redoing, whereas because we haven't set the concealer, it's effortless and you just drag through like so. And as you can see, it already brings that grunginess to the eye. And I do love this brush because it requires no effort at all. So now it's looking quite harsh, so I'm just going to go back with that previous brush and blend. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to take the colour Chestnut and just kind of halo it out a bit more to darken out those edges. And this is just a flat shader brush. And don't put it exactly on the lid, just above it, like a halo. Then going back again and blending. And makeup is really all about blending, because if you blend properly and take your time, you have good results. So. Once I'm happy with that, I'm going to go in with these two colours, Fire and Ruby. Ruby, which is this one, is a shimmer, but it don't pick up as well, so I thought, hey ho, we'll mix them just to give it that extra bit of pigment. And my nose is going wrong, so. Again, I'm just going in with a very small shade brush, getting them two colours. And where we did Chestnut, we're going to apply it in the same sort of areas, just not central. So, like so. The shade Fire does really help intense the colour of Ruby as well. So, we're just going to pack that on. Not worrying too much about the blend. And if you're not that good at blending anyways, don't worry, because eyelashes do just cover it all up if any mistakes are made. Because I'm picking up quite big chunks of product, there is a slight bit of fallout, but I wouldn't worry too much because we can sort this out later. So once that's nice and packed on, I'm going to go back in with that Morphe and just blend. And then I'm going to go in with the colour Sauce, which is this one. Now this is a lot more pigmented than Ruby, so I am going to spritz some water on my brush and apply that central. And next one. Just picking up that product and flat on the eye, and as you can see, it's a lot more brighter than that Ruby, and that is why I did add in Fire, which is a matte shade. So we're almost doing a spotlight eye, but with a bit of a different colours. So that is really messy, as you can see. But we are going to clean up, so I'm going to get a larger flat brush, go back in with Fire and Ruby and just make that blend a lot nicer. So I am happy with that, and don't worry, as you can see, it has like collected in the inner corner, outer corner, and the outer corner. So don't worry about that because we can resolve that problem. So next I'm going to go in with my NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I do have to take it off my teeth because it's hard. And we're just going to do a small wing, starting off from the inner corner. Thickening out when we do get to the centre of the eye. Then when we get to the out, I do just take a line from my outer corner. And then what I am going to do, I'm going to put a black liner in the waterline, Avon Super Shock liner in black. I'm going to put one under my eye from any fallout that has happened, like so. I'm actually not happy with that wing, but it's there now. What can we do? Not a lot. So then using my Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer, I'm going to go back in with that colour Fire, which is this one, and take it under the eye. Remembering to tap off the excess. Going back in with the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, we are just going to blend it because that went real dark. Real bright, I mean. And if you think it's gone a bit too far under the inner corner, which I think it has, let's go back in with that beauty blender and sort of reshape it until you're happy. Then using that flat shader brush again, going in with the colour Wiz, which is the black one. We're going to try and blend and give it a more rusty look, like that. And then blend again with the previous brush. So the lash style I'm going to use today is Paris, I think. Don't quote me on that. And they're by Primark. They're only £5. And I've used them loads. So I'm just going to glue up my lash first. And while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to apply my mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is the Rimmel, I think this is the Volume Colourlust mascara in obviously black. And we're just going to coat our lashes so the eyelashes have something to stick to. And I'll leave my bottom lashes till last. Now you might need tweezers for this part depending on how confident you are about sticking a lash. I do sometimes if the lash is a little bit big, which these are, to stick on that inner corner, but sometimes it's fine. So I'm just going to pop on my lash. You know, every time I'm not filming I can put a lash on. So I can understand when YouTubers say I'm going to do this part off camera. It's like when a camera's in front of you, you feel a bit more pressured. And then what I'm going to do with the tweezers, I am going to pinch both my real lashes and the false lashes together so they don't lift throughout the day. And I'm going to go and do my bottom lashes. Like so, and everyone knows how to put on mascara, I think, so yeah. So guys, this is a completed look with full face. I just thought, smack on a red lip, basic skin, I'm good to go. So I hope you liked this video. If you want to see more makeup looks, then comment down below what I should do, what I should use. Or if you like more vlog style, chit chat, get rid of me, just let me know and I'll do them for you too. So I hope you like this look.